Hey, my name is Jared. Right here, when I'm having fun in my kitchen, you can call me Chef Gerard. I'm at Back to the Roots, an urban mushroom farm in Oakland, California, and I'm going to show you how to make a Thai beef stir fry with mushrooms, basil, and cilantro. Who's hungry? All right, so I'm going to use some oyster mushrooms that I've grown myself right from this little brown box. Now, you know what's awesome about this? It doesn't get any fresher. For this stir fry, I'm going to use some beef. I'm going to use a London broil that I'm cubing, some cilantro, basil, mushrooms, and some eggplant. Now, I've picked some Asian eggplants. These are actually Chinese eggplants, a little different from our traditional eggplant, but it's an Asian stir fry, so Asian eggplants. Now, I've got a wok, so I figure I use it for this stir fry. Got a little more oil to this, maybe 4 tablespoons. Hit it with the steak. Got that nice sizzle. I'll add a little pinch of salt to that, some sea salt, and let that steak brown up before adding my other ingredients. All right, I see a little browning in my steak, so I'm going to add the eggplant and mushrooms. I added that extra bit of oil because I knew a lot of ingredients were coming into this wok, and I wanted to make sure there was enough so that everything didn't start burning. All right, I'm going to finish it off with some last minute awesome ingredients. It's going to be a teaspoon of honey, a tablespoon or 2 of soy sauce, some chili garlic sauce, about a tablespoon, and my cilantro and fresh basil, which I chopped not too finely. Turn the heat down at this point, give it a couple stirs, let it sit for another minute, and that's ready to eat. I really like this dish because it's got some of my favorite ingredients: basil, cilantro, mushrooms, and eggplant. The best part is, I'm hungry and hey, it's taster time. Yeah, the tenderness of those mushrooms really is awesome. And you know, the greatest thing about a stir fry is you get to throw in things like soy sauce and that chili paste. It's great. So this is one heck of a Thai beef stir fry with mushrooms, eggplant, basil, and cilantro.